Middle of Dundas Square. I'd say there's a couple thousand people here rallying around for justice for Sammy that was killed by the police on the weekend. And they didn't, it was clear in execution. There's many ways. They had 10 officers, and if 10 of the Toronto police officers can't subdue an 18-year-old with a couple-inch blade, then they're seriously not doing their job, and they should be defunded, retrained. It's completely unnecessary. They could have locked up the streetcar. They could have called in an investigator. It was a clear execution. We're living in a police state, and we're going to have justice and bring these cops to justice today.
And as you can see, here's how many people.
We want justice! 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 We want justice!
Oh, sorry.
We want justice! 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 We want justice!
What are your thoughts on the no more guns?
Right now they're chanting no more guns. I'm all, of course, for the Second Amendment. The Second Amendment and having guns, the citizens' right to own guns, is the only way to keep criminals in line. And when a cop comes barreling through your door, or a criminal or a robber, it's the right for the citizens to have a gun to protect themselves. So I wish that they wouldn't be chanting no guns, but it's for the cause at the time.
Yeah.
But I do am in support of the Second Amendment, and the citizens have the right to arms. The police do. We have to have the right to keep them in check. And tyrannical governments always try and take the guns and enslave the people. It's the only thing that keeps us sane.
Where's that coming from? Or is that, oh, that's... No justice, no peace, no racist police. 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 Now we have a helicopter at the scene. Okay. Yeah, each moment, second, we're getting more people to support
this cause.
Shame! Shame! Shame!
Again for a sec. We're now marching down Dundas, and the main cause today, of course, is to spread awareness, because it's very important. If the police aren't held accountable for such things, they'll set a precedence to all other officers in the city, letting them know what they can get away with. If this officer is not charged and fired, other officers will think they can do this and get away with it. We're now getting on our way, marching down Dundas.
I'm just gonna stop. Justice! 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 Justice!
Shame!